Kumusta? Welcome to Easy Tagalog. Today's lesson is saying thank you politely.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Again, louder.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po means thank you politely. Maraming salamat po means thank you very much. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Isa, when I give you a present, what will you say?
Maraming salamat po.
For example, I give you a candy, what will you say?
Salamat po.
Repeat with me.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Follow Easy Tagalog for Easy Tagalog lessons.